give you special thanks for the diagnostic improvement you have done in this region. For the first time, we are now having a CT scan and a digital X-ray system. And that will be yes. I also want to thank you for having posted a radiologist here for the first time in more than 10 years. You have matched investing. Because a CT scan without a radiologist, I think it was going to be a very big disappointment. We also trained the people on that digital X-ray, and we have also done procurement for in accident and emergency. So when you go there, you will see the equipment we have bought. I want to thank Ministry of Health and Coffee. We now have ambulances in the region. We have profiled all the ambulances in the region. There are 31 ambulances, both private and public. Today, we shall add 2 more. And I want to allay people's fear that all these ambulances are trapped. When you go to the call and dispatch center, you will see how the ambulances are trapped. When you start it, the color changes. And we shall ask you, where are you going? I want to thank the Ministry of Health, and I want to thank Coffee for the skills center. We now have a fully-fledged skills center where we use mannequin for training. And we encourage everybody in the region, especially the schools, the nursing schools,